got a world famous rock pallet down here at Dark. I used to say Hollow, but I watched the show about Appalachia.
Holler.
It's called Holler.
Holler.
I thought it was Hollow, but no, it's actually called Holler.
And holler and take a swaller.
I don't know. Dark Holler. Got Jimmy's TRX4 G-Speed.
6.
TRX6
Yeah.
G-Speed. And we got my stock TRX6. Kind of stock. We don't have a whole lot. Different servo, different wheels and body on it.
Yeah, they ain't nothing stock on mine. I watched a couple videos on people doing and locking them up, and then I got looking at it, and heck, I just found me a washer that fit.
Yeah, that's the way they some of them come when you buy them. I think.
Maybe the sports.
Some of them, I bought a set used, and it had the like a C-ring on the thing to lock it.
Yeah,
I think that's the way it is.
I took a washer and put on it. It was the right dimensions and everything, so
You good to go?
I just took some E6000 and filled the hole up.
Yeah.
Keep water from getting in there.
You good to go then?
All right, we're gonna put the dig on the 6.
Nice dig. I don't have no dig. We're just gonna let her do all she do. Oh, and then I've overdone it running into a tree. There's something ramping up. Got a drill motor in there, don't you?
No. Hobby motor. Motor with a castle in it.
Oh, sorry. Get up on you that tight.
Tight turn there.
Yeah, it is a pretty sharp turner, ain't it? You got that banked right though. Hit the pivot there.
I really love these Baja Traxxas.
Yeah, they say they're good tires. Oh,
And I got
rock back up.
I put mix max set of phones in this thing. I think I got users in the front and then Bantam Racing in the rear. And I cut the Bantam Engineering. Cut them every other lug to make them a little softer. And then the back one I didn't. So I got soft, medium, and hard on this truck. And it does pretty good. I figured all that weight, it needed a little stiffer on the back. Try this angle. Last time I was down here, I lost my keg.
You find it or did you know?
Yeah, they found it. It didn't take long, and then I'm like, hey, where'd my keg go? I put some E6000 and glued it back down.
Well, I don't think I can get that line.
Sure you can.
That's not, I don't think that's the same line. No, I'm not really sure.
Close enough.
We can look at the video.
We'll go try that. Go try the rock wall and see what we do right down there. I think these will probably be better than this.
Oh.
The other 6s we had.
Yeah.
This is the day of 6s.
Yeah, TRX6, SEX6. Just run all the 6s.
I brought my TRX4 too. TRX4.
Yeah. I was about to say no. Yeah, I got one in the car. That Blazer.
Yeah, I got one that I traded. I bought from Bernie. I don't know. Put the overdrive, underdrive in it. I'll get around here so I can see what I'm doing. That's about all you really need to do to a TRX4 to make them really good.
Oh yeah, just put some underdrive and cut the tires. Underdrive and overdrive and cut the tires.
Put a little brass.
Be about mint.
Yeah. TRX4 makes a great trail.
Oh man, you can't. People talk about old technology. I'm like, it might be old, but
It works.
it works. It's solid. Why change something that's still selling?
Yeah. And I guarantee there's probably more TRX4s out there than they are almost every other trail.
Oh, you're probably right too. There's probably a lot of TRX4s sitting in people's garages that don't even RC anymore.
Yeah.
Because the Traxxas dealerships are everywhere, man. You know, if I wouldn't have saw them set up at the drag strip in Charlotte when they run the 4 wide, I'd probably never bought my first RC car. Yeah, I saw them down there and I thought,
Is that when you bought that Slash?
Well,
That Fox edition?
right after that, you know, the I don't want to say the word on because I'm recording right now, but you know what hit and locked everything down.
Oh yeah.
And I said, well, I'm gonna have to stay home. I'm gonna buy me something to play with.
Yeah.
So I went to Traxxas.com and looked up the. I looked up the dealer, but I just ordered one off of Amazon. But I did go to the local dealer and bought about 2 batteries and a charger, which is pretty expensive because I didn't know nothing about it. You know, I bought Traxxas, which is, if you're new to the hobby, you know, Traxxas battery chargers, they ain't nothing wrong with that, except, you know, it's a little expensive, but
I mean,
you ain't got to worry about
them, but they're good.
You ain't got to worry about sales and no matter what voltage you're charging at. And,
right. Kind of like the, what is it, all the stuff that Spectrum has with the
smart battery. Yeah, that wasn't out then.
Yeah.
But yeah, the only bad thing I got to say about Traxxas batteries is their balance leads are real. The wire they use in is not real good.
Well, they
The end will push out. I'm sorry. The end will push out of the connector.
Now I changed the ends on my XRT and my Max.
Yeah.
And so I took the Traxxas batteries apart and bought me balance leads.
Oh.
And I wire them up myself so I can run them.
Pretty neat, yeah.
Because heck, I already had the batteries, but
Yeah.
I couldn't stand the chargers.
Heck yeah.
That's what I'll do. The other battery I got now.
The only thing about TRX6, you've got to have a good servo in the front of this truck because you get it pointed downhill, that thing will not turn.
Got a lot of weight.
Yeah, all that weight on them front axle. It will not turn.
I don't have a really good servo on this one. It's strong, but it's slow compared to all the.
But this has got low. It don't have the high. Was it 7.4? So it don't even have that. Whatever.
I do have a BEC on this one, because you know this is running that Castle
Yeah.
ESC, and their BECs and their ESCs are horrible.
Look at how much dirt them high racks are picking up compared to yours.
I know, right?
Crazy.
These are some great trail tires. I don't know if they're gonna work on rocks or not, but for trails,
Yeah.
awesome.
That's the Mickey Thompson Baja Pro. Right?
Baja Pro X. Yeah.
Pro X.
That's the Pro Line edition. RC 4-wheel drive has some. I don't think
Oh, really?
as good.
I didn't know that. Yeah, I think we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's put up
Can we make it up this heat? I don't think we can now that everybody's dug it out.
I don't know. Who's already?
I'm gonna have to send it.
Probably, yeah, it's probably them hanging on your body and rock sliders.
There you go. Little sendage.
Probably might do the same thing. My body's sitting right down in it. And
Put it in second gear.
That's like the second time in bed, doesn't it? Never throw. I don't want to come back to you. Why you send me that hard? Oh, I need to go at a different angle. Oh man, that's wallered out, ain't it? Did I don't think I done all that.
No, it's what I said before. It's already wallered out. It's wallered out in the holler.
Wallered out in the holler.
You saw what trouble we had with the SCX6s. Let's try to
Yeah,
TRX6.
It's gonna be in a different video though.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's cool, but everybody knows how most RC YouTubers do. Take 3 or 4 trucks out, make 3 or 4 videos at a time.
Let me get over here and see what I'm doing. I'm in a hoe.
That up where they don't make too much of a noise. Other than that same hole, what?
It's like we almost have the same wheelbase.
Might be pretty close. Are you gonna come down it, or are you gonna go all the way across?
What do you think?
Let's come down it and go back
Okay.
up, then come back down and come down this way. Which side are you coming down?
Here, come down this side.
All right. So David, do you ever drag on your truck? What is that?
What's that? That's those people that come and read to you kids.
My last name is Queen, and I was with my wife one day. I think she was picking up some medicine. I sat in the passenger seat. And when you say Queen, a lot of people say green.
Oh.
And the lady said green. She said, no, Queen, as in drag queen. And I never thought about it, but that's what I do now. That's what I say now. I say as in drag queen.
As in drag queen. Not that I am one.
Yeah. The tree just makes the right backdrop for that thing, don't it?
Yeah.
That's a big old tree. I remember when that tree turned over. We went down here, but I remember when we come down here after it turned over.
It's amazing how it just fell right there.
Yeah. Oh man, I might need a winch.
What had happened was
I'll take a hand here.
the hand of David.
Oh yeah. So much RC work to get done, I gotta do it.
Huh?
So I got so much RC work to get done, I gotta just sit down and do it one day.
You know, every day when I get home, I just go upstairs for a couple hours. And
Yeah. Whoa, about fell into the rocks.
there you did. Trying to look through that little viewfinder.
That's it.
I'm about to fall without doing that.
Right in the sun. I might go after this run, go ahead and get day done so I can go chill. Have a good Saturday off. I've been enjoying watching some movies and stuff lately. I can't tell you what they are, so I can't even remember. I did watch it's a man's name. I think it's got Tom Hanks in it. It was pretty good.
Mission Impossible? Oh no.
No. What was it? Dang, it was a pretty good movie. I watched that.
They had that kid?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Yeah, with the car.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hadn't seen it.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. And there's another movie I watched. I can't remember. Some of them old things in my head will probably click in a little bit. I'll remember it. Oh, it was.
You got old man brain like me?
It was the Clint Eastwood. Have you seen that movie? I think it's called Runner.
Oh yeah, that was good.
That was good, yeah. It kind of reminded you of what's the Breaking Bad in the way it was done. I need to change this. This transmitter's getting like the other ones, man. The triggers get it's grabbing the sides. Didn't we go up this already?
I don't know.
Yeah. Well, it don't matter. We go across.
Oh yeah, we did go up it.
We'll go across. I can't go up that way. I can't see it there. We up there though, ain't we?
Yeah.
Wonder what's on the other side. Oh, it's probably poison oak over there. I was gonna say we could probably walk up on that log and turn around and come down, but yeah, it's probably poison oak up there, and that's the last thing I need.
Yeah.
Allergies kicking and itching too.
Go up the slick mud thing.
Oh, yours looks like it's got a chance.
I'm in the bushes.
Uncommitted. Oh, that's one of them little holly bushes, ain't it?
Without 2 speed.
It's just a different tire. You know them. It's a tighter tread pattern. I ain't saying what's wrong, but I'm saying it's just a tighter tread pattern. Traxxas has got them little bitty teeth. And the Baja Pros has got the flat spot. They're like the Tusk, got the flat spot on the top.
I don't think I got no speed.
Yeah, it does seem like you
this ain't got a 2-speed transmission.
might be. Oh, it don't.
No.
Oh, okay. That's probably that's probably it too, because I did throw it in a second.
SCX10.
That's cool that them and Element shares the same bolt pattern. What is Element 6x6?
Yeah. That one I won.
Oh. Well, it's got the
Got it. Red Cat.
yeah.
Not Element.
It's actually got an axial body on it, yeah.
I think it's 3D printed.
The body?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it had the Unimog body on it. No, it don't have the Unimog body. It has the Unimog wheels. I don't know about the tires, but I think the wheels are the Unimog.
I know it's a bunch of stuff I don't recognize.
Yeah.
I know nothing about
Red Cat. Yeah.
I know enough to stay away from it.
And the Gen 8 V2 stuff is pretty good.
think those straight axles are what, Gen 7?
Yeah, that's what I think somebody said they're Gen 7. I had no idea what they were.
Because if they'd been portals, I think they would have been Gen 8s, right?
Yeah, yeah. Boy, it's wild what one more set of axles will do.
It ain't got nothing to do with that. It's our driving ability.
Got everything in the world to do with it, bro. Where's everybody at? Are we just missing them and passing?
Either that or we might think we got something and they staying away from us.
Yeah.
My niece had a baby last week and my wife wanted to go see her. And I said, I'm not going. I said, just in case I do have something.
Yeah.
I said, I'm 99.9% sure it's nothing but allergies. Because I know when I went to the doctor last week, they tested me everything and come back negative.
Yeah. They tested me too. I said, look at this mess. Flex it out, big dog. Oh, that's a stock C-channel chassis too. GRX6.
Mine's stock.
Oh man, it looks like it's flat
Stock
carbon.
G-speed.
Flat carbon to me, bro.
Ain't nothing stock on that truck. Not American.
Look.
I can't leave nothing well alone.
Yeah, they probably ain't no telling how many parts you've got rid of that you'd probably be happy with. I mean, but it's your money, you know.
I think that's the tinkering keeps me sane.
Oh yeah, yeah. I like working on it too. Swiping away a spider web and lost view of my truck.
It's funny how your truck and my truck look nothing alike, but I'll be sitting there driving your truck and I'm like, hey, where's my truck going?
I've done that earlier. I ain't done it on this trip yet. Oh, sorry about that. Looking in the viewfinder.
Went around the holly bush.
Yeah, it was good to show up early, man. Get down here before it gets hot.
Yeah.
The old truck ain't got no AC.
Yeah, it does.
I can, yeah. I can recharge it to last 2 years. But man, have you seen how much it costs to recharge one, even with the little bottle? Them little bottles are like 50 bucks now.
Are they?
Yeah, you know where you buy the one-shot deal?
Yeah, they got everything high now.
I need to buy me one with some red dye in it and find my leak. Fix it. But I don't drive it that much, just but once a week, keep it from going bad, you know.
Yeah. That's me and my red F-150 I got.
Oh yeah, that's a clean truck.
Well, no, that's the white one I got.
Oh, you got a red one too. Okay.
Yeah, that was. I remember back when I bought my first house in '93, and then wasn't too long after that you got AOL dial-up.
Do you still got an AOL email? Somebody in our group does. I can't remember. You do? Okay.
Yeah. Same email address since '95.
Cause I sent you an email one day, and I think my wife was in the kitchen, and I said, Jimmy has still got an AOL email. I need to talk to him.
Well, heck, everybody I knows it, so why get rid of it?
Well, AOL ain't what AOL used to be.
No, AOL
it's I think it was bought out by Yahoo, and then a couple of different cell carriers have bought Yahoo, and they just crap. I mean, you know, I wouldn't use them for dependable email. Mine is actually Gmail, even though it's my own domain.
Right.
Because Gmail has, in my opinion, the best spam filters because they handle more email than anybody else. So if they get one email that's going out to 2 million people, they can automatically send it to your spam because they know it wasn't meant for you. We'll catch you in a minute.
Guys, it's going to be to the moon.
To the moon.
Alice.
And they're going to catch. No, you're going to catch it. Give it a little boot. There we go. Yeah, but if I was you, I'd try to get away. I mean, it's up to you, but you know, I'm your friend. I'm just trying to give you a little helpful advice. I'd get away with it before you start losing emails. Get your own domain. That way, I did that with me and my wife years ago. I just bought a name.
Yeah.
Years and years ago. And now, no matter who we go to, all we got to do is just repoint, you know, set up the mail server settings and the DNS. It ain't hard. You can watch the YouTube video to show you how to do it. Matter of fact, wherever you buy you or get your email at, it's probably got instructions. That way, when we move and change the internet providers, we didn't have to change our email address. It just went with us. I got in with Google when it was more like a pilot program, and it was free, and they just grandfathered me into their paid program for free. First they was going to charge, and then they said, as long as you just admit it ain't for business use, we're cool with it. I said, no, I ain't got no business. No, that ain't no business. That costs me money.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I'm at the point now where I just do it for fun. Like I didn't even put nothing up last week, nothing at all.
The last thing you did was that class.
That comp, yeah. It's fun. You know, when I ain't got something to do, sure. You know, I'll probably edit the video Monday for Monday night and Thursday night. But I know how when it starts warming up, people start watching less. I'm the same way. Be outside doing stuff.
I'm inside, hunkered down in the AC.
In the AC. You know, I've been sweating a lot lately. I got a different job at work. Doing the same thing, just on a different furnace. And I sweat a lot more, and it's helped my overall health. Like my blood sugar, everything. You know, sweating is part of getting a lot of the impurities out of your body. Sweating and urinating. If you get out early like we did, stay out there, it's not as bad. But if you know, wait till 12 o'clock and then go outside from the AC, oh, it's horrible, man. You walked into a furnace. You slowly accelerate your body temperature. I don't think for me, it ain't as food. How do you do that? You got it?
Yeah.
Bounce it.
It's amazing how capable these trucks are.
That's what I'm saying, man. It will fool you and make you think you're invincible, but it's the truck.
I take some pride in building it.
Yeah. I thought I hear a trip. You see that centipede over there? See it?
Where?
Under that rock.
Oh yeah.
He's under there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. He's running. Camera got a delay. Here we go. I think I missed it, man. It wasn't in frame. Put that groove right in the right spot, didn't you?
When it keeps you from flipping off, it is.
Ooh.
Ta-da!
Yeah, I meant for that to happen. I like it the way that thing just bounces. Goose it.